guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Shreeya, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a wearable look which you can wear to office or even college. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And now without further ado, let's get on with the video. First thing first, if you're wondering which lenses I'm wearing the Olens Genet 3 lenses in the shade Sky Gray, and this is how they look on me. I really love because they are very natural and they are complementing the Indian skin tone very well. I'm going to start this video with some skincare first. I know I never usually do skincare in my videos, but recently I've received some PR from Pixie Beauty and I'm going to use them today. I'm also going to review two products from them today. The first thing I'm going to use today is the Pixie Glow Tonic, and this is basically like a toner and you can use it with a cotton pad or even your hand. I'm going to just get a little product on my hand and I'm just going to dab it on my skin like this. I'm not going to rub it on my skin, just dab it. That's it. I'm going to let this soak in my skin for around 2-3 minutes before I move on to my moisturizer. I have been using this product for around 1 week, and I can tell you that this toner has definitely made my pores look a little less or less visible. You can say they have not completely disappeared. Obviously, you're going to have pores no matter what. But my pores are definitely less visible since I started using this. And I also think it helped with a little bit of acne, which I had received on my forehead, a little bit around my jaw area. So I really think that it helped with that as well. I haven't used anything else for my face since last 1 week except the Pixie products, and I really think they are very good for acne prone skin. The next thing I'm going to apply on my face is the Pixie Phenomenal Gel. This is like a gel based moisturizer which is very good if you have oily skin. It won't make your skin look very greasy or anything like that. So the product looks like this. I'm just going to dab a little bit because I don't need a lot of it. It definitely gives a glow to your face, but it's not at all greasy. And it's not like tacky either. So I've just applied these two products on my face and just look at the glow that it has given me. Like my skin definitely looks very much healthy and moisturized. I'm going to move towards my base makeup now. I'm going to start with my base makeup because we are not going to do much for the eye makeup anyways. Firstly, I'm going to use something that has really good coverage because I have really bad dark circles and I need to hide them if I want to look presentable. And I also want to hide the pigmentation around my mouth. So I'm going to use Dermacol foundation. My sister recently got it for me from Qatar, and this is the shade 222. So I'm going to use this one today. You just need a very little amount. I have never used this product as a foundation, but as a concealer, this one works very beautifully. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to slather it around near my dark circles. As you guys can see, I'm not applying much. There are just 3 dots, and I'm going to apply a little here. The shade 222 has like a really peachy orange undertone, so it will cancel out your pigmentation and your dark circles. I'm also going to apply a little on my forehead where I have dark spots. If you guys have really flawless skin, you can just get on with the BB cream. Like you can use the Pond's BB cream. I do use this one occasionally, but I mostly have started preferring this Dermacol foundation because it is like really dewy, which is very good for my dry skin type. If you have like oily skin or like normal skin type, you can just go for something like this. And if your skin is flawless, obviously you do not need a lot of coverage. I do need a lot of coverage because my skin does has very many like flaws. So I'm just going to use this one. And I'm going to take the Morphe sponge now and start blending this product in. You have to keep in mind to use something that is your face, that matches your face skin tone, and not something that matches your neck here in this situation, because you're just trying to hide the dark circles and not do like a full face. Yeah,
We see how much that blends out. I really do not like need a lot of product. Even though I'm using a sponge, this product is giving such a good finish, good coverage.
I have blended it all over my face wherever I needed the coverage. I really have like pigmentation even here, so I have blended it right here as well. I'm going to blend the dots on my forehead with my finger because I don't need coverage on my forehead.
Whenever you're trying to spot conceal, make sure you're using a concealer or whichever product you're using. Just make sure it has like a very good coverage and that it does not like matches your skin. It's not lighter or darker than the skin. So you have to blend it up so it doesn't look severe.
I'm going to use another sponge by Pack because this one really soaks in the product much more than the Morphe one. So I'm going to use this sponge just to make this look more skin-like. This is one of those foundation that really gives like a very natural skin finish to your skin and does not even look like a foundation, but only if you're using it in a very proper way, like you really need just a very little amount. I haven't even used one full pump, and this is the coverage that it has already given my face, which has really many flaws. So I would really suggest that if you're using this product, just tone down the coverage of it. So that's it for my base. I'm going to set this product with my Maybelline Fit powder. Trust me, guys. Since I started using this product, I do not even look at my other powders. This is the only product that I really love, and which matches me pretty well. This one is really that amazing. It sets your face so well without making it look like too matte because my skin is already so dry. I don't need too many mattifying products on my face. Also going to set my eyelid with applied a little bit of product. And never forget this portion because sometimes even the foundation moves a little bit there. If you're wearing glare especially.
I'm just going to dabble the powder on the face all over. Don't forget the places where you have concealed dark spots, something like that.
I'm going to move towards my bronzing now because bronzing is something I cannot live without. My face needs that warmth. And I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer today. I'm using the Pro Art stippling brush, the shade number ET16. I really love stippling brush for bronzers because it gives very natural finish. I'm also going to contour just a tiny bit on my nose. Guys, you can definitely skip whichever step you feel is extra in my routine. This is just my routine and I'm showing you guys what you can do if you want minimal makeup. So that's it for my base. I'm going to move towards my eyes now. Just a little, I'm not going to do much. I'm taking the same Hoola bronzer and I'm going to define my eyes with this one. Not much, just a little bit of color. Just applying it to the corner, dragging it inwards to my lip. It just adds a little bit of dimension to your eyes. Now for blush, I'm going for very neutral tone blush, and this is the Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade 10, Peach Me Up. This is a really very neutral tone peachy color. Trust me, guys, don't come in the comments that who does so much makeup when they're going to college and office. I have seen many people do it, and I do it myself when I'm going out myself and I want minimal makeup. I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray now, and this is the Gerard Cosmetics Lay All Day Setting Spray in the shade or flavor coconut, you can say. This is a really very amazing and refreshing setting spray, and I really love it. Try not to make too many face expressions when you have applied your setting spray because your makeup kind of is trying to rearrange itself, so it might get into creases. Once my setting spray has dried down almost like 50 or 70%, I move towards my highlighter and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter today. This is one of those highlighter that you can build up or you can just like apply it in a very subtle form. Going to take it on my Pro Art stippling brush again because this just gives a very natural finish. finish. Just a bit. So guys, that's it for my base makeup. I'm going to do my eye makeup now. Not eye makeup exactly. I'm just going to curl my lashes using the Vega curler. Curling your lashes when you're not applying your falsies is really important because some of us have like those straight kind of lashes which not make your mascara appear properly on your eyes. Curling really helps a lot. And just use a mascara that will hold your lashes like in the place. So for that curling purpose, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I know I haven't done my brows yet. I'm going to get on it, but just mascara now. It definitely gives that falsies kind of effect without applying falsies. Just look at how much of a difference it makes. Really. And I love how waterproof this is. I would not suggest you guys to use it daily because it might damage your lashes. But yes, obviously for occasional purpose, you can definitely use this one. I'm going to do my brows today using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Grey, I think. And I'm just going to do it very quickly. So guys, my makeup is done now. I'm going to move towards my lips and I have really too many nude lipstick options today. So I'm just going to pick any one of my favorite ones. But I'm really confused. I should go for a peachy nude lip or like a brownie nude lip. That totally depends upon you. Whichever lipstick you like, you just wear it. I'm just going to go with the peachy nude lipstick because that is something that I'm really enjoying recently. So I'm going to use the Golden Rose Long Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 19. It's like a really beautiful peachy color, and I really love the formula of this lipstick. If you guys can get your hands on this lipstick, definitely check them out because these are really very good formula. Like the formula is very similar to my Smashbox liquid lipstick formula, which is saying a lot because that one retails for around 2000 rupees, while this one you get for around like 700 or something like that. This brand is not available in India, but you can definitely get this one from Middle East countries. So if you're going there or some of your relatives are going there, get your hands on this one. I'm just going to start applying this now. I think it's transferring very pinky on the camera, but in real life, this is the peachy color and it's very, very gorgeous. Like I have been wearing this one since my sister got it for me recently. So guys, that's it for my today's video and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. This is the makeup that really takes me around 20 minutes or 15 minutes at max and I do it in a times when I'm in a hurry. So if you guys want, you can definitely wear this to college or office or even when you're in a hurry. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below which is your favorite part of the makeup routine because I really want to know. I'm going to take a leave for now and I really hope to see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.